दिलीप साहब said, but no, it is not practical because अभी मेरा तो प्राइस अलग होता है, तो अब उसमें कैसे आप एडजस्ट करेंगे? He said, that's not the problem. मैंने अपने को भी कास्ट करके जितने में बेचा उसमें आपका प्राइस आ जाएगा, वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. But I genuinely feel that it is yours. But he did not do it. And Dilip Saab once told me that he repents 2-3 films that he refused. Baiju Babra was offered to him and he did not do it because perhaps he could not understand the intensity. And third, I'm very shyly saying Zanjeer. साहिर साहब उनके बड़े करीब के दोस्त थे. उन्होंने कहा कि तुम्हें एक को तो छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा, और अगर तुम इसे भी नहीं छोड़ सकते, उसे भी नहीं छोड़ सकते, तो मैं बताता हूँ क्या होगा, दोनों तुम्हें छोड़ देंगे. और ऐसा ही हुआ. तो कुछ डिसीजंस करेज से लेने पड़ते हैं, सोचना पड़ता है. वो उनमें कमी थी, and he paid very heavily for that.
I just want to add one thing to what Javed Saab said. I really believe that, sometimes this coming of a person, which is there, is so pure. It's not seen a lot. A lot of people find solutions. And we always say, wish he was like this, wish he could have had this strength, wish he could have. I mean, I don't know whether it's cruel or whether it's beautiful, but I'm very thrilled that he didn't have that strength, because it just gave that feeling of, it just preserves the, almost like, he's a flower. He's just like that. He's just sensitive, just lying there. There is no defense mechanism. There is no thought. There is no mind. There is no mechanics to kind of strengthen yourself. He's just purely as an artist. I know it's very poetic, but some minds like that, the greatest artists have been like that. A lot of great artists have been like that. And we have one in our midst.
Great artist. Remember, Gurudutt is not a poet with a Phatak Kurta. He's a studio owner. Every film that he made is a hit, except one. So I agree with Javsa. Why did he, that one failure, what happened? I don't know, because everything is a success. Right?
I must tell you a little story about Pyasa, which we are going to see today. It was not a first day hit. When the picture was released, people were highly disappointed. The premium, and they were showing their sympathy that it was a good effort. And Gurudutt in interval did not go in. He sat on the staircase of the theatre.
But there's something like, very enduring for me in Pyasa is the picturization of that song, Hum Aapki Aankhon Mein Is Dil Ko Basa Le Do. It's so beautiful. The waltz, the way it was picturized, both of them waltzing. अच्छा उसमें lyrics में भी खेल है, वो झूलता रहता है between the man and the woman. Duet का जो एक मज़ा है ना, वो आपको मतलब you enjoy. We don't have those duets anymore. कि जहाँ मतलब
बातचीत हो रही है
गाने में इतनी खूबसूरत, and वो मतलब डांस के थ्रू, he was such a lovely dancer, so beautiful to look at when he was dancing. So मतलब वो था angst, ही मतलब angst, एक anguish, एक दबी हुई आवाज़ थी जो मतलब कहीं ना कहीं साहिर साहब की पोएट्री के ज़रिए अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करती थी. वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी उनकी फिल्मों में, लेकिन एक नज़ाकत भी थी इन सारी चीज़ों में ना. देयर वाज समथिंग वेरी डेलिकेट कि आपको हर चीज़ ना थप्पड़ मार के नहीं कहनी पड़ती. सॉरी अनुभव, थप्पड़ वर्ड के लिए. बट एवरीथिंग डज नॉट हैव टू बी अ स्लेज हैमर. एवरीथिंग डज नॉट हैव टू बी कि वो आप अपना एंग्स्ट, एंग्विश, दुख, प्यार, मोहब्बत, हर चीज़.
Not Najao Saiya, of course, but Piya Aisa Jiya Mein Samaye Gayo Re, because it is all about the Shringar Rasa. And we have seen many songs about seduction, whether the vamp does it or the heroine does it, but very few songs have been about Shringar Rasa and the whole dressing up for the man who is going to come and who is a beloved and waiting for it. And finally, she's just so wonderful. I love this song and I love everything. So there are many more characters, but I would like to give others a chance.